morning and thank you for joining us. Our morning outlook will focus on the pound dollar, recent developments, and its potential impact on the markets. Let's hear from Greg in our trading room.
The pound-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The CCI indicates an oversold market. The Bitcoin-dollar pair dove 5.5% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal. The oil-dollar pair plummeted 1.7% in the last session. The RSI is giving a positive signal. The Aussie-dollar pair corrected downwards in the last session, falling 0.2%. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal.
Thank you for sharing with us. Now let's hear from our news department.
MicroStrategy's filing with the SEC shows the company purchased 1,434 Bitcoin between November 29 and December 8 for roughly $82.4 million, making its total holdings 122,478 BTC. British Prime Minister Boris Johnson has imposed tougher COVID-19 restrictions in England, ordering people to work from home, wear masks in public places, and use vaccine passes. Oil prices fell after measures by some governments to slow the spread of the Omicron coronavirus variant and a ratings downgrade for 2 Chinese property developers.
Thank you, and now let's go through today's major economic events.
Finland's industrial output will be released at 0600 GMT. The UK's industrial production at 0700 GMT. The US Consumer Price Index at 1330 GMT. The UK's gross domestic product will be released at 0700 GMT. The US Michigan Consumer Sentiment Index at 1500 GMT. The Austrian industrial production at 0800 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in tomorrow morning with the latest news and events from the financial market.